Foliar spraying has long been used as a proven method to combat multiple pest, fungus, and performance issues. However, the limitations and side effects lead to increased grower frustrations. With Optic Foliar Transport, all your foliar-related problems are solved. Greenhouse plants can now be efficiently nourished through their foliage. It provides instant foliar spray delivery into the plant by creating a temporary highway within the top epidermal layer of the leaf. Transport then delivers the spray through the epidermal layer of the leaf directly into the mesophyll layer and production facility of the plant. As a result of this process, growers are then able to reduce spray concentrations by 75%. They can spray in full sunlight, no need to pH the solution, and the days of spraying the undersides of the leaves for bugs are over. Within minutes, transport evaporates, leaving no signs of leaf burn, damage, or residuals to wash off. Optic Foliar Transport is the only product that lets you spray with the lights on, reducing pesticide use by 75%. No damage, burning, residuals, or need to spray the undersides of leaves. So what are you waiting for? Use Optic Foliar and give your plants a greener future. Visit www.opticfoliar.com to know more about us and our products. Optic Foliar. Spray it, see it, be leaf it.